मुझे बोल रहे हैं आप कोई उनके राय के बिना बात नहीं कर सकते। आप कोई जो बोलना है बंधक मीन्स बाउंडेड लेबर, सर बाउंडेड लेबर वो उधर बने तो ये लोग तो कभी
No. This bonded labor will not go on record. This is not correct. You cannot call. You cannot call the honorable members as bonded labor.
No.
That I will not agree. I will not. Please,
Sir,
I will not agree.
There is an act. So Bonded Labor Act.
Yeah, that
so,
is there.
In BJP.
That is there. But you cannot call the honorable members as bonded laborers. That is not correct.
Not, sir. I am not calling.
Please.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Please.
हमारे को एक तो आप ये लोग जो अपोजिशन पार्टी के नेता को बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं और दूसरी चीज हम
1 minute. I will call honorable minister of parliamentary affairs.
I will complete, sir.
Okay, you complete 1 minute.
I will complete. अरे रिजू जी आप बैठिए, हम कंप्लीट कर दे भाई, उसके बाद आप बोलिए। आपको तो टाइम बहुत मिलता है। सर मेरा कहना इतना ही है कि यू कांट क्रिटिसाइज अस। आवर पार्टी में क्या चला, हमारे पार्टी क्या आपके जैसा ये अपना लिंचिंग करती है, क्या आपके जैसा किसी को गालियां देती है, आपके जैसा कोई रेप करता है तो उसको समर्थन करता है, आपके जैसा अत्याचार करता है।
Anything unparliamentary, will not go on records, please.
No unparliamentary.
Will not go on record. Anything wrong against the norms, rules will not go on record. Sir, I am not saying anything. I am just saying if anything is wrong against the rules, norms of the parliament, then it will not be there. Will not go there. Please take your seat.
Sir,
you complete. I can ask the reply from.
My only question
you,
is that
you are disturbing the matters raised with permission. You are disturbing the individual matters rights.
I am not disturbing, sir. I am just pleading before you that how these people are crushing the democracy and how these people are not allowing the opposition leader. If that is the fate, elected members, what about the nominated members? Persons who got indirectly elected and nominated. So, इनकी हालत क्या होगी? तो चाइना के बारे में बोलना, you don't agree.
Let me make my. I will quote the earlier proceedings. I will quote the earlier proceedings. 1 minute. You please take your seat. Debates in Lok Sabha, members should not make any critical reference about the debates in Lok Sabha. The Prime Minister, Sriman Jawaharlal Nehru ji, has suggested that it should not be made a practice in the council to refer to the debates in Lok Sabha, and that even though it might be justified technically, it was a bad practice. Lok Sabha discussing the council and the council discussing the Lok Sabha, leading to trouble between the two houses. I would ask you not to refer to the house. The reference that you have made to the other house will be expunged from the proceedings. This is the ruling of the chairman of that time.
Yes. No. Sir, I agree.
Why you are getting, Jairamji, why you are getting so agitated? You are getting so much of time than the treasury benches. I am giving you a lot of time, but even then you are getting agitated. I don't understand. If you want to put anything in your speech, you put. You ask your leader of the opposition to sit and you can speak.
Sir.
But you don't want. Now, then letting him speak. Why you are interfering?
Sir, देखिए हम आपको टारगेट करके नहीं बोल रहे हैं, हमारा टारगेट उधर है और ये लोग लोकतंत्र को कुचलने का काम कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम बात कर रहे हैं।
So, और save democracy, opposition should put their opinion, their thoughts, everything in the house. At the same time, treasury benches is also having their own right to defy your thinking. They have right to answer to your questions. They have right to answer to your opinions. They have every right to express their own opinions also.
Nehru ji most democratic man. Not these people. These people are only criticizing Nehru ji. Indira Gandhi, they are misusing their power. They are misusing their authority.
In this house that has not happened. Even the president's address, Nehruji has been praised. You might have noticed it. Now I ask.
No.
Now I ask Honorable
We
Minister
don't
of
want to
Parliament-
listen of
Parliamentary Affairs. Yes.
आपको लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन को इज्जत दे करके चेयरमैन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आपको बुलाने दिया है। मैंने पहले भी कहा ये सदन आपको और हमारा मर्जी से नहीं चलेगा, नियम से चलेगा। और ये वही तो बोल रहा हूं, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। ही हैज टेकन द टाइम अगेन एंड अगेन। दिस हाउस बिलोंग्स टू एवरीवन। You can't take all the space all the time. सर, नंबर 1 खड़गे जी ने मिसलीड किया इस सदन में। खुद बोलते हैं कि लीडर ऑफ द एल्डर्स माना जाता है। यू मिसलेड द हाउस। आपने बोला कि वहां लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन लोकसभा को बोलने नहीं दिया। ये आपने मिसलीड किया। उसको 40 मिनट्स तक 40 मिनट तक उसको स्पीकर ने टाइम दिया। वो रूल से बाहर बार बोल रहे हैं। स्पीकर का रूलिंग का बात भी नहीं मानते हुए वो फिर रूल ब्रेक कर रहे हैं। और आप यहाँ मिसलीड करते हैं कि राहुल गांधी को बोलने नहीं दिया। आप ये मिसलीड नंबर 1।
Minister said, please wind up. Please wind up.
Number 2, leader of opposition said that if Lok Sabha doesn't function, how can Rajya Sabha function? He also said that both the houses run together, which is absolutely wrong. If leader of opposition can show me one rule that if Lok Sabha gets adjourned, Rajya Sabha should be automatically adjourned. Show me the rule. These two houses may constitute together for the concept of parliament, but the functioning of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are different.
just see back
They are guided by different
how they
rules,
are.
and there's no precedent that if one house gets adjourned, the other house should also get adjourned. There's no such tradition, no such rule. Out of blue, suddenly today, why Congress party has taken up this issue of what is going on in Lok Sabha? We have allowed you to speak. After speaking all your time, you want to disturb Honorable Prime Minister. What tactics is this? We condemn these tactics of leader of opposition.
Now, Honorable Finance Minister, please.
Sir,
Hey, I am coming. I will give you everybody time. Can I give time to everyone together? Then please take your seat.
sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I respect the leader of the opposition, but I heard him say something that you people lynch. I'm sorry. I want that word removed. Honorable opposition leader is not right in commenting like this. One. And second, if he's talking on lynching, let me remind him that in Rajasthan, when Congress party was in ruling, based on some comment which one of our BJP lady spokesperson said, there was a lynching of a tailor and no action was taken. Nupur Sharma's comments on the TV, you lynched in your government. Lynching happened in Rajasthan. Even more, sir, one more. In Kerala, during Congress rule, the hands of a teacher, Father Joseph, was chopped off. What action did Congress party take in Kerala? Father Joseph, both the hands were chopped off. And that was Congress government. In Rajasthan, based on a comment made by Nupur Sharma, our spokesperson on the television, their government into a dam when somebody went and chopped off, lynched the tailor.
Finance
Is
Minister,
he talking
please
about lynching?
please
If
wind
he
up.
was the opposition talking about lynching,
please
is
wind
that
up.
correct?
Please wind up.
Rajasthan and Kerala first.
Please wind up. Now. I'll take your seat. I am calling you. Please. I have to come one by one only. Already you have taken the 30 minutes of the individual members. There is no matters raised with permission is taking place. You please take. You please take your seat. You please take your seat. Let Bhuttaji. Unless you are taking your seat, I am not going to ask anybody to speak. What is this? 10 people can speak together. You please. I have already given you sufficient time for our honorable leader of opposition. Now, Tiruchi Shivaji.
Sir, just two things, sir. One is Rule 238(3).
1 minute.
First issue, sir, I have a second one. First is use offensive expression about the conduct or proceedings of the houses or any state legislature. Sir, the leader of opposition, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, has not mentioned any defaming of the other house, sir. Number one. Number two, your predecessor, earlier when there was an issue was discussed which was under sub judice. We quoted Rule 238. He said, anything under the sky can be discussed on the floor of the Council of States. That ruling still stays, sir. Unless it is overruled, that rule still says, so we can discuss anything, sir. Thank you.
No, what he said, I have given my ruling already. What Jawaharlal Nehru ji has said, that has been quoted by me, and again you are raising the same point. You please 1 minute, I am coming to you. Please, yes.
The house shouldn't be responses between that side and this side. We are also part of this house, sir.
Yes.
So please look at us also sometime.
No, you are getting now.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
I cannot allow everybody to talk.
Thank you very
For
much.
that I am sitting
Sir,
here.
thank you very much for your graciousness, your benevolence, sir. Sir, as Kharge said, Parliament comprises of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and Honorable President. That's very important. These three institutions are part of this Parliament. Sir,
But every house has its own
Sir,
duty to do, na?
let
Is
me
it not?
Sir, let me just
Please.
say, sir.
Continue.
Though the president was kept away when it was inaugurated and when it was foundation launch. Anyway, my point is simple, sir. Sir, for a parliamentary democracy, institution of the opposition leader is very important. Just as we respect the institution of Prime Minister, please do respect the institution of the opposition leader.
So, what
My submission to you only, sir. Sir, you don't need to give a ruling. You just request them to allow the LOP of Lok Sabha to speak there.
No, 1 minute.
Yeah.
First, you have to ask them to sit in their seat when LOP is speaking. You do that. When a leader of the opposition is speaking, all his members were around him. What is this?
Yeah.
You are not. You have to see that side also. I am asking them to sit. They are sitting. When I am asking your people to go to their seat, they are not going. What I have to do? You tell me. See, each house.